Welcome back to Trendz TV, your ultimate stop for the hottest and most in-depth car reviews. Today, we're taking an exclusive deep dive into the 2025 Mazda CX-5, the compact SUV that continues to make waves in the automotive world. If you're a fan of premium styling, cutting-edge technology, and thrilling performance, stick around because we're breaking down every detail of this beauty. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let's jump right in. Exterior. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 brings an evolution of its already stunning Kodo design philosophy, sharpening its aesthetics while maintaining the elegance it's known for. The front of the CX-5 immediately commands attention with its aggressive yet refined grille. The signature mesh pattern is now more prominent, featuring a three-dimensional effect that plays with light beautifully. Mazda has streamlined the grille into the body, making the transition between the hood and bumper nearly seamless. Slimmer LED headlights give the front end a sharper, more sophisticated presence. The daytime running lights now feature a bold, angular design, adding to the SUV's confident stance. Lower down, the reworked bumper integrates larger air intakes, enhancing both aerodynamics and cooling. The result, a front fascia that radiates both sportiness and class. Moving along to the side profile, the CX-5 retains its sculpted body but now boasts even more refined character lines. The wheel arches are subtly flared, giving the SUV a grounded and muscular presence. New for 2025, Mazda offers an optional set of 20-inch alloy wheels with a two-tone finish that further accentuates the vehicle's premium look. The side mirrors are now sleeker, incorporating integrated turn signals with the more streamlined housing for reduced wind noise. Mazda has also improved the chrome detailing along the windows, ensuring a modern yet timeless appeal. The roofline remains subtly sloped, adding to the dynamic silhouette while preserving interior headroom. A newly designed panoramic sunroof option enhances the premium feel, allowing for more natural light inside. At the back, Mazda has redefined the rear aesthetics to match the striking front end. The taillights are now slimmer and feature a more intricate LED pattern that gives off a futuristic vibe when illuminated. The rear bumper has been reshaped, providing a more sculpted look with integrated reflectors and a sportier lower diffuser. The dual exhaust setup is now more pronounced, giving a nod to the SUV's performance-oriented character. A hands-free power liftgate has been improved for better responsiveness, making it even easier to access the cargo area when your hands are full. The CX-5 badge placement has been subtly altered to complement the new design flow. Every inch of the rear end screams premium sophistication while maintaining Mazda's sporty DNA. Interior. Step inside, and the 2025 CX-5 greets you with a cabin that feels more upscale than ever. Mazda has taken luxury seriously, incorporating high-quality materials throughout. The dashboard layout is now cleaner, with a more minimalist approach that enhances usability. A brand new 12.3-inch infotainment display takes center stage, boasting sharper graphics, faster processing, and an improved user interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. The digital instrument cluster has been upgraded, offering customizable layouts that provide critical driving information at a glance. The steering wheel feels more refined, with updated buttons that provide better tactile feedback. Mazda's signature rotary dial remains in place, making it easy to navigate the infotainment system without unnecessary distractions. Seating comfort has also been significantly improved. The front seats offer better lumbar support and come with optional ventilated functions, a first for the CX-5 lineup. The rear seats now provide increased cushioning and a more reclined angle, enhancing passenger comfort on long drives. Premium trim levels introduce Napa leather upholstery with contrast stitching, elevating the luxury feel. Mazda has also taken sound insulation to the next level, reducing road noise for a quiet cabin experience. The overall atmosphere inside the CX-5 exudes a premium, driver-focused environment while ensuring passengers are just as pampered. Performance under the hood. The 2025 CX-5 offers a refined yet exhilarating driving experience. Mazda continues to offer its tried-and-true 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, producing 187 horsepower and 186 pounds-feet of torque. However, for those craving more power, the turbocharged version remains an option, pushing out an impressive 250 horsepower and 320 pounds-feet of torque when using premium fuel. This ensures a punchy and responsive drive, perfect for both city commuting and spirited highway runs. The 6-speed automatic transmission has been fine-tuned for smoother shifts, and Mazda's i-Active all-wheel drive system comes standard across all trims, providing improved traction and stability. Handling remains one of the CX-5's strongest suits. Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus has been further refined, enhancing cornering dynamics by subtly adjusting torque distribution for better balance. The suspension system has been reworked to provide a more comfortable ride while maintaining Mazda's signature driving engagement. Steering feels precise, offering excellent feedback that keeps the driver connected to the road. The braking system has also been upgraded for improved stopping power, ensuring confidence in various driving conditions. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or carving through winding roads, the 2025 CX-5 continues to deliver an enjoyable and dynamic driving experience. Pricing for the 2025 Mazda CX-5 remains competitive, starting at approximately $29,000 for the base trim. The mid-range trims, which offer more features and tech upgrades, hover around the $34,000 mark. If you're aiming for the fully loaded signature trim with all the premium bells and whistles, expect to pay closer to $41,000. Given its blend of luxury, technology, and performance, the CX-5 offers incredible value for those looking for an upscale compact SUV without breaking the bank. So, what's the final verdict on the 2025 Mazda CX-5? It continues to be a top contender in the compact SUV segment, offering a balance of stunning design, cutting-edge technology, and engaging driving dynamics. Mazda has taken an already beloved model and refined it further, making it even more appealing for those who crave a premium experience without venturing into luxury brand territory. If you're in the market for a vehicle that combines style, comfort, and performance in a single package, the CX-5 remains an excellent choice. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2025 Mazda CX-5. What do you think about the latest updates? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting car reviews. Until next time, stay tuned to Trendz TV for the hottest rides and the latest automotive insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.